First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Underneath the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine, and this is the spot for the engine air filter. From the corner you will see a cover right there. Just lift that cover upwards and there you will see that engine air filter inside. It has two tabs on each corner. Just slide down both the tabs one by one from right and left. Once both the tabs are down, now we will grab the filter from the middle and then just pull it out. While taking out, you may feel it's getting stuck in the middle. Just wiggle it a little bit and it will come out completely. There we ended up taking out the complete engine air filter. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this side stays at the top, and you would notice it says pull at the front, so this one stays at the front with these two tabs at the front facing. Now we will install this filter back. All you have to do is just slide it down. Once in position, then you can just push it downwards. Once we make sure the filter is completely in, only then we will pull the right side tab upwards, followed by pulling up the left tab as well. Both sides tab are intact. Now we will pull down the top cover and then push it to close. Fairly straightforward for this car. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.